Hello everyone, welcome back to the CAD source. Today we're focusing on sections and callouts in Revit. To create a section, go to the View tab, then click on the Section button. Click and drag in the area you want to cut through. Then come back to Project Browser, window in left, and a section entry will appear. Callouts are a way to highlight a specific area of your project for a more detailed view. To create a callout, go to the View tab, then click on the Callout button. Click and drag over the area you want to detail, and there you have it, your first callout. Remember, sections and callouts are essential tools in Revit that can help you better understand and present your designs. That's all for today's tutorial.